Here comes Hero once again.
Yeah.
And go. Come on, buddy. Go. Set. Okay, so one more fly for Hero. Hey, Hero. Let's go. Let's go, Hero. One last fly, you can do it. Last fly, Hero. There you have it. Okay, audience, are you ready for the last fly? So, but before that, I would like to call on a volunteer. Anyone? Okay, ma'am. Someone down here? So, ma'am, we will be giving you a once-in-a-lifetime experience. An experience that you will treasure it for the rest of your life. That's for sure. Okay, ma'am? So, let's go here in front. All you have to do is stand up beside trainer here. And please listen to trainer here instruction. Okay, audience. The next bird that we are going to show is one of our birds of prey. Now, audience, please stay in your seat and please try not to touch the bird because this bird is very sensitive. Okay? Here comes our volunteer. Hello, ma'am. What's your name? So, a round of applause for our volunteer, please, Rachel. Okay, ma'am. Please wear our gloves. And all you have to do is listen to your ears instruction. Miss Rachel, trainer here. Are we ready? We are ready now, ladies and gentlemen. May I present to you one of our birds of prey, our crescent serpent eagle, Strike. Let's go, Strike. Let's go, Strike. Here he comes. Let's see if he can take his target. And he did it. A round of applause for our crescent serpent eagle, Strike with trainer Aaron. Hang on, Rachel. How's the feeling? Fun, alright now. Please face the camera and give your best man and best pose to our photographer. Okay, what a nice picture. Again, a round of applause to our volunteer, Miss Rachel, and our crescent serpent eagle, Strike. Thank you so much, ma'am. You may sit. Okay, now I need one last volunteer. I need an adult female. Okay, now the one wearing a black dress. Come on down here.